Good morning, market mavens. You're tuned into another episode of Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Cela, here to guide you through the ebbs and flows of yesterday's market. So, let's get rolling without any delay. Now, yesterday was quite the day for a subtle dance on Wall Street. The markets barely budged, showing us that even amidst uncertainty, there's a semblance of stability. The Standard & Poor's 500 nudged up a slight 0.1%. While the Dow took a modest step back, dropping around the same margin. The Nasdaq, however, found a bit more favor, rising over 0.2%. So, what's keeping investors on their toes? Well, Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell was in the spotlight again, speaking at Stanford University. He emphasized that despite inflation's bumpy descent towards the 2% target, rate cuts are on the horizon within this year. This reiterated stance provided a bit of calm, especially after recent robust economic data had us doubting the possibility of those three anticipated rate cuts. Interestingly, the market did a little turnaround Wednesday morning. This came after a peek into the services sector showed a significant dip in prices paid since March 2020, hinting at possible further declines in inflation. Quite the contrast to Monday's manufacturing data, which had us bracing for a rise in inflation pressures last month. Switching gears to corporate news, Disney stood its ground against activist investor Nelson Peltz, keeping its board intact after a shareholder vote. The end of this proxy battle saw Disney's stock taking a slight hit, dipping more than 3%. It's been a roller coaster for the entertainment giant and CEO Bob Iger. But for now, it seems the dust may be settling. And that, my friends, wraps up today's quick dive into the market's movements. It's a mixed bag, with the Fed's cautious optimism and Disney's boardroom drama keeping us on our toes. As always, stay tuned for more insights, and remember, the market's only constant is change. Here's to making informed decisions and keeping an eye on the horizon. Thanks for joining me on Capital Markets Quickie. I'll catch you all tomorrow morning with a brand new episode. Cheerio!